guys, and welcome back to this is Sylvie Denise, and today I'm coming to you with a video about microlink hair extensions on how to maintain them, how to do your maintenance appointments with them, and also how to wash them and shampoo and conditioner them in between your maintenance appointments. So the first thing is number one, make sure you go to your maintenance appointments. If you're not going to your maintenance appointments, then actually you're not really maintaining your microlink hair extensions, which can be damaging to your own hair. If you don't check on your microlink hair extensions and you don't check on the beads, because you can't see them in the back, they can actually be matting, meaning your hair can be tangled up with the bead and it can be matted together. And then when it comes to take them out, it may actually be breaking off your hair. When you go to your maintenance appointment, your hairstylist is able to wash your hair, comb your roots, brush your roots, and actually make sure that your hair is not being matted or being tangled up. Number two is that you want to make sure that you are brushing or combing your roots every day. So you know how some people, they get the microlink hair extensions and they're like, oh my goodness, I'm just not going to touch it, I don't want them to fall out, I don't want to do anything to them. Wrong. You need to brush and comb your roots every day to make sure that your hair is not matting in between your maintenance appointments, because you have to remember that that bead is an aluminum bead that's in your hair, and your hair, right, is inside of that bead. So when your new growth starts to grow and come in, you don't want it to be growing and then like wrapping around or doing whatever it's going to do and start at matting, because then you have to comb and brush that out. And then it comes to pulling your hair out. Again, we're back to pulling the hair out and getting the hair coming out and stuff. But what I do want to show is you need to comb and brush your roots in between your maintenance appointments, and you need to do it every day to make sure that your hair is number three. My third tip is you want to make sure you wash your hair with shampoo and you conditioner if you choose to use conditioner or not, depending on whatever your maintenance, whatever your hairstylist tells you. But you do want to make sure that you are washing your hair. You don't want it to go where it's that, oh, you know what, I'm not going to do anything until I go to my maintenance appointment and let them wash my hair. No, wrong. You want to make sure that you're washing your hair like you would do your hair, especially if you're using hairspray and gel and stuff like that. Those different things can make your hair sticky, make it feel like, make it stiff. All those different things can cause your hair to start matting, start eating on something. So you want to make sure that you are washing your microlink hair extensions just like you would wash your regular hair, right? You want to make sure you wash them, but it is a certain kind of routine and way that you should go about washing your hair with shampoo and conditioner. My fourth tip or advice is use the shampoo and conditioner that your hairstylist recommends to you, because I could recommend one to you, but your hairstylist knows your hair and the extensions better than I do. I don't know you. So what you want to do is you want to follow their steps and their guidance to when they tell you use this conditioner, don't use this conditioner. Like they know the best one to use for your kind of hair and for. And lastly, number 5, I want to come and tell you guys that when you wash your hair afterwards, when it comes to blow drying your hair, you don't want to just take the brush and just start blow drying crazy. No, you're going to pull your microlinks out of your hair. Not saying that your hair is going to fall out, but your hair is thicker when it's dry and it's thinner when it's wet. And your microlinks are put in your hair when your hair is dry. So if you start just brushing them and pulling them while it's wet, 9 times out of 10, the beads are going to start slipping because your hair is thin. So it could just slip right out because it has that silicone in the inside of it. So what you want to do is you want to gently like brush your roots and stuff, but what you also want to do is you want to blow dry your roots. You can like part it section by section and then just blow dry it so that part of your hair can thicken up. And once that thickens up, then you can go ahead and do your blow dry and your roll and brush, however you blow dry your hair. But you want to make sure that you're being gentle when you're blow drying your hair, because you don't want your microlinks to start slipping out. Or it depends if you have individual or the braidless sew in. You don't want track to be hanging off and then you're like calling like, oh my goodness, I need to get an appointment early. So just make sure that you're being gentle with your hair. Keep in mind that you do have in hair extensions, but don't lose the fact that also you still have your hair out, which you still need to take care of and wash and conditioner as you do usually without hair extensions. So those are my 5 tips and advice for you guys with microlink hair extensions, with maintaining them and washing them. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. And again, until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.